adopted in the House?
Yes, we are done with the proposed amendments for the rules of procedure for the 20th Congress. We have made sure that we will maintain that the provisions of the Constitution remain in the rules of the House of Representatives, but we will respect the Supreme Court in terms of interpreting what a session day is for impeachment complaints. So gusto lang namin sa aming rules na retain ang word na session day kahit calendar day ang pagbilang nito pagdating sa rules on impeachment. And it must be clear, not only in the rules of the House of Representatives, but it must be clear to everyone na ang pagpirma ng 1/3 of all the members ay hindi lang nasa rules ng House of Representatives. It's clearly written in the provisions of the Constitution, and we will follow that without disrespecting the Supreme Court. Yes,
So
Mark.
you were very firm with that. You also said that a while ago, no? Yung pag 1/3 na pirma yan, rekta na po yan sa Senado. You're very firm with that. So ibig sabihin po, hindi ko consider yung part na sinabi ng Supreme Court na pwede padaanin sa Committee on Justice, bibigyan ng kopya lahat ng kongresista.
Lahat naman dapat bigyan ng kopya, and I am very firm na dapat hindi ito dumaan sa Committee on Justice. Why? Because when the framers of the Constitution drafted that provision, ang naisip nila ay kung may napakasamang leader o presidente na dapat agad-agarang matanggal sa pwesto, dapat hindi na ito dinideliberate pa sa Committee on Justice, hindi na dadaan pa ito sa plenary. It should go to the Senate for trial because we have to remove this despicable despot leader kung meron man tayo balang. It's a mechanism that protects the country and protects the institution. And it will also protect whoever will the president be kung sakaling may magtangka sa buhay.
So walang changes, walang kayong proposed amendments dun sa particular express route?
No amendments in the rules. We just make it clearer and more definitive in how we lay down the provisions under the rules of impeachment na mas malinaw na kapag may 1/3, dapat hindi na dumaan ito sa committee.
Sir, kasama ba dun sa amendments yung kapag sinubmit yung impeachment complaint at na-receive ng Office of the SecGen, doon na nagsisimula yung bilang na 10 session days, dapat nasa order of business?
Sundin natin yung Supreme Court decision na upon receipt, so dapat masama siya sa order of business, tatawagin siya sa floor, at i-refer siya sa Committee on Rules, and the Committee on Rules has 3 days to refer it to the Committee on Justice.
Sorry sir, the 10 session days begins doon sa receipt ng SecGen o receipt ng House Speaker?
SecGen, but remember that we don't count Thursdays, Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays. Kaya minsan mas mahaba pa sa palagay ninyo ang bilang, but actually the session days should only be counted Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and we had to exclude Tuesday yesterday kasi wala naman tayong pasok. So while it may appear na pinahahaba o dinedelay, the House of Representatives is following the Supreme Court, is following our own rules without contradicting each other. Because we already committed to follow what is written in the Supreme Court decision.
Sir, yung Monday kasama?
Let me check on that because I'm sure they're working very hard in the Office of the Secretary General to count it properly para walang mateknika.
Sir, pero yung Monday ba kasama?
Yes, I said, kapag isasama mo lahat para hindi mahuli. So hindi yun counted.
Okay.
So hindi yun counted kasi hindi siya sa shoulders. Wala namang conflict. It will appear longer kasi binibilang natin yung holidays. Hindi natin binibilang ang mga holidays.
Pero sir, hindi ba naman existent? I mean, sa current rules, parang ang nakalagay, 10 session days from the receipt of the Speaker. The House Speaker has 10 session days from receipt
Yes.
to transmit. So, kailan yun?
I had an earlier discussion and to include it in the order of business, ang huli is March 2. Yun ang pagkaalala ko sa usapan. Counting all the session days, excluding all the holidays and weekends and Thursdays and Fridays.
Based on existing rules.
Remember, for the Vice President impeachment complaints, we will follow the old rules.